Ang tanong, Sheena, kaya ka ba?
Sabi ko, paharap na.
Paharap lang.
Ang ganda nun.
Nag-world tour kayo eh. So kailangan may world tour entrance.
Yes.
Okay, Sheena, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay, your question.
From Jana Narido. Out of all the songs that you performed during the world tour, what was your most favorite and why?
My favorite song to perform is Pantropico. Pantropico is my baby. And yun na kasi yung last song. So sa Pantropico, sobrang full up na namin. Pantropico.
Hindi ba? Nakikinig kami. Akala ko may iba kang sabihin.
I love Pantropico. Sobrang sarap ng sayawan. Yan yung world tour kasi iba yung volume sa ibang part. So, it's something new.
Thank you. I have to say, grabe yung mga performance mo sa bawat pagkataw mo, binibigay mo ng buo. Maraming salamat, Sheena. Thank you so much, our candidate, Bini Sheena.
Sheena.
And last but not